today, Justin the Red Island Shaver, coming back with the weekend shave video. So today we are going to use Tikki bar soaps, 1920's Barbershop. Great scent on this, absolutely love it. It's a very nice powdery soap, very nice powdery Barbershop. I'm not 100% sure if this is vegan or if this is tallow. I know, very professional YouTuber that I am. All I know is it smells great, lathers great. Going to use the Masetto 3-band silver tip badger today. This is a 30mm knot. Love this brush. I don't know if I used this in my last video or not. I can't remember. Maybe I used the Spiffo brush. I'm not sure. Anyway, we're going to use this one today. Love using this brush. I'm going to be using distilled water as per the norm. I haven't used this soap with distilled water yet. I can only imagine it's going to lather great. I was almost debating on whether doing a video today or not. I hate to say it, but my eyes have been getting, or my eye has been getting really hazy lately, and it's been getting harder and harder to see. And it's a gloomy day out today. It's raining. And the light in this bathroom is horrible as it is. And I was talking to Dave Card earlier, and the way my den is, the light is back behind me, behind my head. So it casts everything on the mirror in a shadow. So if I can get a sunny day where I can get some light in here, and then it makes this a lot easier. But days like today, forget about it. So I didn't know what I was going to use for a razor, because I really can't see that great, but I do know I can see the white lather on my face quite clearly, so as long as I just shave that, then it should be good to go. So anyway, I picked out a nice razor for today. I was gonna kind of cheap out and go with the DE, but that's not what I'm all about. And I'm gonna paint a little bit more water into this, and I'm gonna really splay these tips. And this brush is so soft. So incredibly soft. So hopefully everybody's all ready for Santa. I know we are. We finished up the Christmas shopping. Got the last gift we had to buy yesterday. So we are done. Now we just have to sit back and wait for the big day to appear. And speaking of big days, if anybody is following along, you'll notice my subscriber count has hit the requisite threshold. So, being a YouTuber of my word, next week's video on Saturday will feature a white lather, but it will not be soap. At least not for the first pass. I got lather flying everywhere here. Look at that. I will do the mayo shave. That was requested by Wilson Choi, who's in the Canadian Wet Shavers group. Good friend of mine, really super cool fella. And he's the one that was responsible for me doing the mustard shave. So anyway, he came up with the crazy idea about doing a mayo shave. He has a thing with watching somebody use mayo and tuna juice. And I said, well, if I can get 200 subs, I'll do mayo. Not doing the tuna juice, so that's just gross. So next weekend, if I retain the 200 subs. So I have over 200 now. I think I have 202, 201. If I still have all of you wonderful subscribers come this time next week, I will do the mayo shave. And you can see this brush is completely full of lather. I think that's going to be good. So I will do the mayo shave, and then probably the week after that, or the week after that, then I will do my 200 subscriber giveaway. I gotta pick up a couple things. I'm gonna give away some stuff in my den. All I know is for now, you're going to get a brand new cream or a soap, a balm to go with it, the matching balm. You're going to get a razor. You're going to get probably at least a couple brushes, and a whole whack of samples. So I'm gonna do it upright. I'm gonna give away a bunch of shit. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned for that. So the razor, I'm going to use one of my favorites here, my beautiful Boker with the spalted maple scales. I mean, this thing is just, it's just a work of art. Love this razor. I love the heft on it. It's just great. I think this is a hollow grind. Got 3 days worth of growth. So hollow grinds usually are pretty decent for moving that much growth. So we shall see. Nice. Get that first pass out of the way and then it becomes smoother after that, but still a fairly smooth shave right from the get-go. Not the cleanest shaver in the world by any means. Those of you that are new to the channel, I am visually impaired. So a lot of what I do here, I do by feel, not actually really seeing a hell of a lot of what I'm doing. So anyway, we make do. And it's funny, I had a good chat with Randy about a week ago. Randy Pocket at First Canadian. It's the guy that does all my razor restoration work, and he does all my honing. And I know there's lots of guys out there that are really good at honing, but I tend to stick with Randy now because I know what his edges feel like on the face right from the get-go, because I really can't see what the hell I'm doing. I go by feel, and I just know what they're gonna feel like. So you build up a certain level of trust. So all in all, I'm usually not too worried using one of his edges. They're sharp, but they're not stupid sharp. They're nice and smooth, which is all that really matters. Soap is performing wonderfully. I've always liked this soap, great scent. very powdery. Very nice classic barbershop scent. All right, it's pass number 2. Just go right into the lather here. Man, things are very, very dull today. This last pass is the one I hate the most. Just, it's really, really hard to see anyway. Today is really going to be interesting. Soldier through it. That's where the trust comes into effect. And I almost wonder if I'm starting to grow a cataract. I know my vision's been getting quite a bit hazier lately, and cataracts are a side effect of vitrectomy, so just wonder. Nice. Just a little bit of roughness right along the jawline, but that's normal. I picked that up with the DE for the cleanup anyway. Nice. Didn't remove as much as I wanted to on that pass, but on that cheek, still a little bit there, but like I said, I really can't see that well today. So I'm just gonna hit that cheek on the cleanup. Get the mustache area. So once again, we are using the Gillette Fat Boy. We have that just set for number 2. There. I hate cheating with the DE, I really do, but what can you do, right? What can you do? I like to say to myself, I remove the bulk of the hair with the straight. So anyway, I'll do a quick rinse off and go into the post shave here. decent shave. Definitely presentable enough. Alright, so we're going to skip the witch hazel today. And I'm going to use Sterling Barbershop balm. Just a great powdery barbershop scent. It's almost identical to the Tikki Bar soaps 1920's Barbershop. Now this is a fairly old balm. Somebody piffed it to me, so it's quite liquid. Or maybe their balms are liquidy right from the get-go. I'm not 100% sure, but probably got way too much on here, but it's okay. Really massage it in. Not an overpowering balm, but I said it does match well. So I think I got way too much on there, so I'll just rinse the hands and dry them a little bit, just so I can get this spread out to absorb. All in all, a very nice shave. Alright, so that's the video for this weekend, guys. I really do appreciate you tuning in. As always, thanks for all the subscriptions and the support of the channel. I do appreciate it. It's been an interesting ride from when I started the channel, I guess August of 2017 through to now with the with everything that's gone on. But if it wasn't for you guys watching, I just would have packed it up long ago and said, the hell with it. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you to the new subscribers for joining the channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy these videos. And I always encourage people commenting down below. And that's that. So anyway, stay tuned for next week. We will do the mayo shave, at least one pass for sure. I'm not going to use a straight for that. I ruined the straight pretty much with the mustard shave. I'll use a DE. And that's that. So from my family to all your guys' families, I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Hopefully Santa finds each and every one of you, and please be safe and enjoy time with your families. So that's it from me, the Red Island Shaver. As always, friends, have a great day and even better shave. We'll catch you next weekend. Bye.